Hi, you know who I am, don't you? I'm your grandmother. My name is Carolyn Coffee Terrell. Anyway, I'm sending these 2 rings to my granddaughter Colleen. They're beautiful rings, and let me tell you the story about them. This is a dinner ring, and when I was 16 years old, I had a first job. I worked a whole 2 weeks for pay to get this ring. This has some little teeny tiny diamond chips or something in them, but it's gold. And it took all of my paycheck for 2 weeks, but that's my first real jewelry. And I know you're going to take good care of it and pass it on to your daughter someday. And then let me tell you about this beautiful, beautiful ruby ring. My favorite mother-in-law, Alice Sinnott Terrell, gave this to me.
With 2 T's.
Yes, with 2 T's. Sinnott. Sinnott. Anyway, she gave me this ring one year for my birthday. That's my birthstone. And I'm sorry it's not yours, Colleen, but guess what? You're going to get it anyway. And I know you're going to enjoy wearing this ring. I kind of outgrew it. It won't, well, it will go on that one, but see, it doesn't work very good. So I'm sending these to you so you can have fun wearing them. And incidentally, they are real stones. Kisses.